Assuming that you guys saw last week's video, if you haven't, go see it. I introduced this Corvette. So, just a brief recap. Probably 2 seasons ago, a season ago, we built this exhaust for Ben. It was dumped right here, right behind the seat before the axle. He, since then, has put a flat floor on, and because of the flat floor, it was allowing exhaust fumes into the cabin. We don't want that for him. So he brought it back, and we knocked out a complete catback exhaust on this C5 Corvette. We did some brand new titanium pieces and some utilizing the factory C5 Z06 titanium exhaust.
What's the deal with that thing?
That thing we sold, and
yeah,
the customer who bought it wanted it to be running and driving. So in Japan, it had an FCON HKS FCON standalone ECU in it, or a piggyback ECU. So because the FCON was put in it, the HKS FCON has to be tuned by an HKS authorized like tuner or dealer. So we can't get into it, we can't touch it. He wanted it to be working. We put a Haltech in it, a boom slang, like piggyback adapter kit. We installed that. Isaac's knocking that out so the customer can have a running and driving car. It's a really cool car. It came from Japan with a R154 swap already and a single turbo conversion. So it was a 2J Greddy single turbo with an R154. All it was missing was a good ECU. So we went ahead and put that on for the customer, and it's doing pretty good. We haven't really turned it up. We're leaving it on gate, which is 8 pounds, and it's making around 300 horsepower, which is plenty for that thing. Back to this thing, the factory Z06 exhaust, the titanium bits, actually is like an axle back from the factory. Oh, okay. So it had a 2-bolt flange on it. We cut that off. We added some new vibrant titanium and up and over the axle. And because this is a C5 with a C6 cradle and transaxle, we had to lengthen it. So it got lengthened, and then we came straight out the center. The way it came out, we had to turn it up, that way it doesn't burn his nice carbon fiber diffuser. And we also anodized driver motorsports on the side of the tip. But yeah, pretty happy with it. Should work great for Ben. I can't wait to hear it. I know, and I know it's not gonna sound much different. Yeah. But instead of just being dumped, it does have a length of tube. So
do you think that'll quiet it down or make it just sound, I don't know?
I don't think it's gonna quiet it down. If anything, it might make it louder. Probably not make it louder, but it is going to change the tone and the frequency. So it is going to be pretty cool. And it's a full titanium exhaust minus a header. So that alone adds a certain note to it. So.
Yep. What's up, Steven? What you doing?
I gotta take some videos of this Aristo. You wanna check it out?
Yeah.
Car's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Got a manual transmission, R154, nice. Obviously 2J. Yeah. Big single turbo. We just installed a Haltech 2500 Elite.
It might be a little bit more after it cools off.
That ain't no jam. We gotta make some more.
We need like 5, 6 up there.
No.
At least 5.
No, that's a customer car.
So at least 550.
Yeah, if the customer says so.
They just want reliability.
So good. Like 600. It's a 2J, bro.
It is a 2J.
2J can go 1,000 reliably versus an RV. I know you used to RV stuff. That stuff don't last for like maybe like a startup and then it blows up.
I know, right? you drive this?
I know I would.
Would you?
100%.
Man, this thing's so
100%. I love me a 2J.
It's pretty cool. It's a TTE version too. So
TTE, now what is that exactly?
so it's just a basically trim package of an Aristo.
Oh, okay.
Comes with TTE wheels.
Got you. I've always seen that. Never knew what it was.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we had a stock one here, and it came with the TT exhaust, so it's a quad tip and has TTE written on the top.
Okay. So you said that's like a trim level.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You gotta get some more of these, man.
We have a couple coming in.
Yeah.
Have a couple coming in.
Sweet.
But it's rare to find manual swaps that's done right.
True, because these are just VIP cars, man. But people turn them into like drift cars and track cars, which is cool. I love to see it. Yeah. It's different.
It's a 4-door Supra.
Yeah, essentially, honestly.
You look excited, man.
this hater. 2J hater.
No, I wouldn't hate.
You dislike.
No, they're okay. I just like, keeping Nissan with Nissan.
Oh, you're one of those guys. Oh my god. I can't stand that.
Wait, didn't he have an LS 300ZX?
Whoa!
Oh,
exactly.
We ain't gonna talk about that one.
You got an LS,
we
bro.
ain't gonna talk about that one.
All right, so we were just talking about how awesome and beautiful this Crown Majesta is. It's sold before it made it to the website, so sorry everyone, except for the guy who bought it. It's so amazing.
And this is the new to be able to be imported.
Yeah.
Crown Majesta.
Yeah, this is
a 170.
177.
177.
JZS 177.
Yeah.
This was legal in October, so it got here in November. Like, just look at this thing, man.
Would you just look at it?
That wheel combo with the color, nuts, bro.
Spicy.
Yes.
And I just love the more pronounced grille on these.
Look, I love the little headlight, like
The little dip up right there. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
Yeah. And then the tail lights on this are fantastic. There's also the Crown Royal, the new Crown Royal. That's the 171.
That's the 171 or the 175.
171 or 175. What's the difference between the 171 and 175?
The 1JZ or a 2JZ. And then the Athlete V has the 1JZ GTE.
Right.
Which is
and
what
he owns an Athlete V. So it's still a 2J, but it's the 2JZ FSE. So it's a newer one. It's still dual cam, 2J, architecture, all that. Now we're entering the era of when they're putting plastic covers over everything. Yeah.
Okay.
And it's raining.
I know.
Yeah, you can probably hear it right now.
Yeah, they can.
It's like...
Whatever. Hey, this is warm though. It's not freaking
I know.
freezing.
I'll take it. I'd rather... Well...
I'd rather have rain than snow.
Yeah.
I would. A lot of people are like, no way, I want snow. And it's like, oh, okay. Now we can't get into the frickin' parking lot.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they just want an excuse to not have to go into work.
They're like, oh, it's snowing, I can't come in, Chris.
I live right off a main road. It's pretty rough.
Yeah. And, I'll make it driving the S2000 from my damn farm.
Okay.
But yes, we just want to talk about it a little bit because these are new to be able to be imported. They become 25 years old. We love them. We think they're fantastic looking. We're still going to bring in the other Crowns, but these are...
We have more on the way.
More on the way, you say?
More on the way.
Well, there's one here now. Crown Royal and Majesta outside.
The Royal's already sold.
Oh, the Royal's already sold. Sorry.
It is raining.
It is
We're
raining
like
hard.
yelling.
So,
We're yelling now.
I think we're done with that.
Yeah.
How about some Beauties?
Yeah.